Hello friends, I have started new series that is based on Google Suite. So in this class we will discuss each and everything which is provided by Google services Google Drive we will discuss, Google Forms we will discuss, Google Calendar, Google Sheets and Google Slide and Google Meet. There are many things which we are going to discuss, and this series is very helpful the people who are very much interested to know about these services, the free services that is provided by Google and we are using in our daily usage. So there are two portions in each and every class. One is theoretical portion where we will discuss about the history, how they have launched the functionality and what facility available. And second will be demo based, that is live presentation of what we have studied in that particular class. So today we will discuss about the Gmail, what is Gmail and what are features available in Gmail and what is history of Gmail, which type security provided by Gmail to secure your email and Gmail account, and what are folder available in Gmail. So each and everything we will discuss in this class, and also I will show you the demo of Gmail. You can say the interface of Gmail, okay, where we can find category of Gmail, where we can find folder, and also if you are using Gmail, so many times also you have faced some security issues. So we will discuss each and everything. Okay, so now talking about Google. So Google is a basically American based multinational company, and that is basically focusing on artificial intelligence, online advertising, search engine technology, cloud computing, computer software, quantum computing, e-commerce and consumer electronics. And Google is founded by Sergey, Brin and Larry Page in 1998, and Google is basically subsidiary company of Alphabet. I think you have heard about the Alphabet because the CEO of Alphabet is Sundar Pichai, as we know, as CEO of Google. But if you are talking about in depth, so Google is a basically subsidiary company of Alphabet. And nowadays 70% of worldwide online search requests are handled by the Google. So by this you can imagine how bigger Google is, and its headquarters in Mountain View, that is California. And Google began as an online search firm, but now it covers more than 50 internet services and products. So everywhere you can find the Google. The initially name was Google was BackRub. Now the name of Google basically chosen by Larry and Sergey, which is inspired by the term Google. Google means organize the world knowledge and make it useful and internationally accessible. इनका जो मेन कंसेप्ट का कि बेसिकली हमें जो भी नॉलेज है वर्ल्ड की नॉलेज को कंबाइन करना है इन ए पर्टिकुलर मैनर. वी हैव टू ऑर्गेनाइज एंड मेक इट यूजफुल फॉर एवरीवन हु कैन एक्सेस द इंटरनेट. तो आज हम देख सकते हैं कि गूगल पर अगर हम कुछ भी सर्च करते हैं तो वी कैन फाइंड मेनी आंसर ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर थिंग्स. हाउ दिस इज हैपन? बिकॉज ईच एंड एवरी इंफॉर्मेशन इज ऑर्गेनाइज इन ए सच वे. When you put out any keywords, according to that we get output. If I am talking about layman language, so basically Google work on a distributed database system. Distributed database system means all the information they have divided in particular field. Suppose there are information related to field that is stored in some other database, some information related to entertainment that is stored in other database. So when you put anything, basically Google mechanism check कि by which field this is related. Suppose this is related to sports, so that particular request goes to request database and we find out answer quickly अगर एक डेटाबेस होता तो it will take more time to searching each and everything. So this is a concept of distributed database, and Google work on the same concept. Now sometime if we are using, if you are searching something on Google, generally we used to say I have just googled. Google means just I have searched on the Google. And if we are searching, we can say yes, I am googling, means just I am doing something on the Google to find my answer. So these are some words which are used. Now Google provides other services also. One is image search. So basically if you want to find any image on the Google, on the web, to by providing some information, we can find that particular image. Also we have Frugal. Basically if you want to compare the price of anything, so by using this service you can compare. Now Google Groups, so basically this is same as we create the WhatsApp group. Suppose a message you want to send multiple people, so you can make it group and just drop. When you creating a Google group, so basically that will create an email ID also. So when you send anything on that particular email ID, that information will be circulated to each and everyone who are associated with this particular group. Blogger is just like website. If you want to create a free website, if you want to publish your content on the website, if you want to share your knowledge to anyone internationally, so you can create your blog. This is free services which is provided by Google. इसमें कोई भी आपको पैसे देने नहीं है. हाँ, लेकिन अगर आप डोमेन नेम लेना चाहते हैं, उस केस में यू हैव टू पे सम मनी, जहाँ से आप डोमेन खरीदना चाहते हैं. जैसे आप देखेंगे कि आजकल वेरियस वेबसाइट है, जैसे इंडियन डोमेन, godaddy.com. सो फ्रॉम देयर यू कैन परचेज डोमेन नेम. गूगल मैप, nowadays everyone is using Google Map to find their destination, direction and everything. Google toolbar, so this is basically downloadable search tool. Google answer, it provides answers to question on the basis of a bidding system. If you are writing any question, I like you can send the example of Quora, where we write any question and we get many answers. So in this in same phenomena Google also work. AdWords, so it helps in advertising services for advertiser. So अगर आप गूगल का भी लॉगिन करते हैं या कुछ भी सॉफ्टवेयर वेबसाइट लॉगिन करते हैं, तो आपने बहुत बार देखा होगा कि बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट ऐड आपको डिस्प्ले होते हैं. तो बेसिकली दैट इज एग्जांपल ऑफ गूगल एडवर्ड. नाउ एडसेंस, दिस फैसिलिटी इज अवेलेबल फॉर पब्लिशर. if you want to publish your content and your website or any other medium is meeting the promotion criteria, then you have to create a Google AdSense account. By using that account you can earn the money. जैसे मैं एक सिंपल सा बात करता हूँ यूट्यूब की. अगर मान लीजिए आपने कोई यूट्यूब चैनल क्रिएट किया, तो उसमें एक मिनिमम रिक्वायरमेंट क्राइटेरिया होती है कि यू मस्ट हैव 1000 सब्सक्राइबर एंड 4000 वॉच टाइम होना चाहिए, देन यू आर एलिजिबल फॉर मेकिंग मनी. जैसे ही आप इस एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया को फुलफिल करते हैं, देन यू हैव टू अप्लाई फॉर गूगल एडसेंस. व्हेन योर अकाउंट इज अप्रूव्ड, देन you start making money. So this is simple concept. So this is basically for people who want to make money through the blogging, through the YouTubing, through the Instagram, through the everything. So by using this facility they can make money. Now Gmail is a web-based email service which have several gigabyte of storage space. Now talking about G Suite, that is now converted in nowadays in Google Workspace. Now it is called Google Workspace, and G Suite is basically collection of business, productivity, collaboration and education software developed and powered by Google. So in G Suite you can find Gmail, Drive, Gog, Sheets, Slide, Form, Calendar. There are many things. And G Suite was released 12 years ago as a Google app for your domain, but after that it is converted in Google Sheet. Now it is you know गूगल वर्क स्पेस. आजकल जैसे आप जीमेल ओपन करते हैं तो बेसिकली एक मैसेज फ्लैश होता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड गूगल वर्क स्पेस. ओके, नाउ जब भी आप जीमेल अकाउंट क्रिएट करते हैं तो आप एलिजिबल हो जाते हैं 15 GB डाटा स्टोरेज स्पेस के लिए. देन आप उसको यूज कर सकते हैं. दैट कंबाइन गूगल सूट आल्सो, जीमेल आल्सो, गूगल कैलेंडर आल्सो, एवरीथिंग इन कंबाइन इन दैट पर्टिकुलर 15 GB. Now here you can see the image. So this is image. So when you click on 9 dot, this will be displayed. This is basically component of Google Workspace. You can see here, you can see the drive. We have to study docs, sheets, slide, calendar, chat, meet, forms, sites, everything we have to discuss. Now today we are going to discuss about Gmail. Basically what is Gmail and how Gmail works and what is history, what is feature of Gmail available. So the Gmail or Google Mail is a free email services that is introduced by the Google, and it allows to send and receive the mail over the internet, and we can send an email to multiple users at a time. We can access the Gmail from the web as an application in a mobile device. We can also use the third-party program to access the Gmail. To send or receive email, just you need the internet services. If you have internet services, so from anywhere you can access the Gmail, you can send the mail, you can receive the mail anytime, anywhere. The storage capacity at the time of launch was gigabyte, which is extended up to 15 gigabytes today, and the receiving capacity of email is 50 megabytes per user, while sending capacity is 25 megabytes including attachment. The exchange of email in Gmail can include text, message, graphics, video and audio. Initially, Gmail was created on April 2004 and ended its testing on July 7, 2009. The storage capacity of 1 GB, which was quite a large amount offered compared to other computer at that time. Gmail also covered 94% of the language spoken by the internet user worldwide. We can insert the files from Google Drive in order to send larger storage file. This is meaning to say that suppose there is a capacity, we can send the file of 25 megabyte in the Gmail. But if you want to send the file which capacity is more than 25 MB, in this case Gmail create a link, and that link is associated you Google Drive. So by using that link you can download that file from the Google Drive itself. कहने का मतलब है कि जो Gmail में ईमेल भेजने की लिमिट है that is 25 MB. अगर उससे आपको ज़्यादा भेजना है then it will create automatically link on the Google Drive. That file will be saved in Google Drive. By using that link जो भी रिसीवर होगा उस फाइल को डाउनलोड कर सकता है, एक्सेस कर सकता है. Now talking about feature of Gmail. So Gmail provide many feature. First one is free to use. There is no money you have to invest to using Gmail. And talking about storage capacity, the Gmail provide 15 GB storage capacity that is free of cost. And if you want to increase that storage capacity by paying some money, you can increase. The limitation of that is 15 terabyte. Till 15 terabyte you can increase the space of Gmail. And it's also support multiple account support. organize the messages in Gmail are grouped in the various categories like promotion, social and primary category. So these are these messages are sorted and grouped according to their category. So we can read messages from the business, family and friends. If suppose आपने गूगल जीमेल में 5-6 कैटेगरी बनाई है, उस मेल को उस कैटेगरी में आप इंसर्ट कर सकते हो. वेन एवर यू वांट टू सी, जस्ट क्लिक ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर कैटेगरी. जो भी मेल उस कैटेगरी में होगी उसको आप इजीली एक्सेस कर सकते हो. Accessibility, the message or email can be easily read from the respective category, and the message are also safe. Spam filter, Google have mechanism to find out any email which is related to spam. So by that particular ID, they can identify and ignore that mail and also send in spam folder. Interface, so the best thing of Gmail is their interface. The user interface of Gmail is a very good, very much. You can find everything within a single interface. You have to not move to other pages. Kevin Fox was a UI designer of Gmail. So when you open Gmail, you can find everything. All the category you can find a single page. All the folder you can find in a single page. Also you can find a search. Also you can find Google Sheet component. Everything is a design is a such good manner. You have to not move in other pages. Language, Google supports many languages nowadays, and we have already discussed search box. If you want to search any email in a particular date, in a particular time, so by using that search services you can do very easily, and that is really very good services which is provided by Gmail. Language input style, when you writing any mail, so you can change the font size and language, each and everything that is provided in Google. When you discuss about the live demo, everything I will show you. So now history of Gmail. So basically in 1990 Paul Vuccetti had already inspected the idea of web email, and on April 2004 the limited beta edition of Gmail was announced by the Google. In July 2008 the ability to enable the secure mode was simplified by the Google, and the increase of storage from 2 GB to 7.5 GB was announced by Google in April 2012. Then in 30 it will increase it by 15 GB. And also it's provide Google announced encrypted HTTP connection in March 2014, and on July 2017 Google announced the identification of email with spam and phishing using the machine learning, and it is resulted in 99.9% accuracy. So nowadays we can see by using the machine learning technology, Google automatically identify the email with spam and phishing and send in other folder. Now talking about category in Gmail. So basically Gmail have 5 main categories. One is primary. So the primary tab include all the important mail like email from your contact. It is considered as a main inbox around Gmail account. It also includes some non-classified email. We can also move any email to primary folder. Social, the social tab include all the email from the websites such as YouTube, Facebook. Promotion, the promotion category contain all the email related to marketing and promotional offers. Update, so the update category is similar category like social, promotion and primary. It include receipt, statement, bill, confirmation and notification. Forum, so it is a group in Gmail that allow a people of a group to work together online. People with similar interests can easily collaborate. So this is same as like, you know, you can create a platform where you can add the people, and also people who are interested in you know, a common topic, and you can post your message, people is going to reply, and also you can discuss each and everything. And like example, Quora is also example of forum, you can say. Now available folder in Gmail. तो when you log in, जब भी आप Gmail में लॉगिन करते हैं तो बेसिकली आपका इंटरफेस ऐसा दिखता है. लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे आप देखेंगे तो आपको इनबॉक्स, स्टार, स्नूज, सेंड, ड्रॉप, प्लेस सारी चीज़ें देखेंगी. यहाँ पे कुछ चीज़ें देखेंगी. बेसिकली दिस इज अवेलेबल फोल्डर इन Gmail. So here inbox, the inbox folder include all the received email. The received email are categorized in you know, promotion, social, and some primary category which we have already discussed. Second is start. If you have make any email as a start, so that particular mail will be stored in this type of folder. Snoozed, the mail marked with snoozed is made to appear in our inbox according to selected time. Important, the important folder include the message with the important label. The sent folder include all the sent email. The draft folder include message that are not completed. कभी कभी क्या होता है कि आपने मान लीजिए कोई मेल लिखा, कनेक्शन की वजह से मेल नहीं गई, और आपका सिस्टम बंद हो गया ड्यू टू पावर इशू, उस केस में वो मेल बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट ड्राफ्ट में सेव हो जाती है. The chat folder consists of the Google Hangout conversation. Whatever you have chatted with your friend, that will be stored in that particular things. Schedule, if you have scheduled any mail, तो that will be stored in schedule. Basically क्या होता है कि सपोज आपको मेल कोई आज आपने लिखा, उसको कल भेजना है, तो you can schedule your mail, और by default जैसे ही वो टाइम मीट होगा, your mail will be directly your mail will be forwarded to that particular person and that particular time. Spam, the suspicious email that are automatically identified by Gmail come under the spam category, and the spam folder contain all the mail marked by Gmail or used as a spam. Trash, so the deleted message are transferred to the trash folder for 30 days. We can also recover the deleted message from the trash folder. After 30 days, message will be permanently deleted from the trash folder and cannot be recovered. तो जो भी मेल हम डिलीट करते हैं वो बेसिकली ट्रैश फोल्डर में स्टोर होता है. अगर उसको आप रिकवर करना चाहें तो रिकवर कर सकते हैं, बट आफ्टर 30 डेज दैट विल बी ऑटोमेटिकली डिलीटेड. तब उस केस में उस मेल को आप रिकवर नहीं कर सकते हैं. नाउ Google has two platforms. One is web, on which you can access your email, and second is mobile application that is introduced in November 2014. So by using mobile also we can access your Gmail account. और nowadays they have included many features. If you are writing email, तो आप देख सकते हैं कि स्मार्ट रिप्लाई का है. जब से AI आया है तब से बड़ी सारी चीज़ें हैं. आप जब भी जीमेल टाइप करते जाते हो ऑटोमेटिक एक सब्जेक्ट लिख के जाता है, जैसे कुछ मैसेज लिखते हो राइट वर्ड आते रहते हैं. तो यू कैन यूज दिस सेम फैसिलिटी एज वेल. नाउ गूगल मीट, बेसिकली गूगल मीट इज फॉर ऑनलाइन मीटिंग. इफ यू वांट टू मीट एनीवन टू ऑनलाइन, इफ यू वांट टू डिस्कस समथिंग टू सम पर्सन हु आर नॉट फिजिकली प्रेजेंट, सो यू कैन कॉल ए मीटिंग थ्रू दी गूगल मीट. अगर हम लॉकडाउन की बात करें तो लॉकडाउन में गूगल मीट बहुत ज़्यादा फेमस हुआ था, बहुत ज़्यादा लोगों ने यूज़ किया था. उसकी भी एक फ्री लिमिटेशन है कि दी फ्री मीट कॉल कैन हैव पार्टिसिपेंट लेवल अप टू 100, एंड जो मीटिंग की ड्यूरेशन थी 60 मिनट. इफ़ यू वांट टू इंक्रीज तो बाई पेइंग सम मनी यू कैन इंक्रीज इट, बिकॉज देयर आर ऑल्सो सम फैसिलिटी. तो गूगल मीट बेसिकली वीडियो कॉलिंग के लिए होता है, वीडियो चैटिंग के लिए होता है, वीडियो मीटिंग के लिए हम यूज कर सकते हैं. दैट इज ऑल्सो फ्री. Now basically this is a user interface of Google. So after this lecture I will show each and everything. And now talking about security method in Gmail. So there are 4 security method in Google. One is third party encryption. So the percentage of information based on the encrypted email is provided in transit between the third party and Gmail. Lockdown, if Google finds any unknown usage or activity, can cause lockdown for an account for 1 minute to 24 hour. जैसे ही आपने देखा हो, बहुत बार आपको मैसेज मिलता होगा कि someone is just trying to access your account from somewhere. If it is you, then it is okay. If it is not you, you can lodge a complaint or also you can reply. Okay, so अगर आप यूज करते हैं फ्रिक्वेंटली तो आपको कभी न कभी ऐसा मैसेज जरूर मिला होगा. 2 स्टेप वेरिफिकेशन. नाउ डेज जब भी हम गूगल में अकाउंट क्रिएट करते हैं तो बेसिकली दे आस्क फॉर योर फ़ोन नंबर, आपको OTP मिलता है, देन यू प्रोवाइड OTP, योर अकाउंट इज क्रिएटेड. तो जब भी कोई ऐसा कुछ करने की कोशिश करता है, कहीं और से लॉगिन करता है, तो डेफिनेटली ऑल्सो यू गॉट अ मैसेज ऑन योर मोबाइल फोन ऑन दैट पर्टिकुलर नंबर कि समवन इज जस्ट ट्राइंग टू एक्सेस. तो बेसिकली दिस इज 2 स्टेप वेरिफिकेशन वी कैन से. पहले ऐसा कुछ था नहीं, पहले आप यूज़र नेम दीजिए, अगर यूज़र नेम मिल गया है तो आपका अकाउंट क्रिएट हो जाता था. बट इन्होंने क्या किया कि एक सिक्योरिटी और लगा दिया मोबाइल नंबर के साथ, ताकि कोई और एक्सेस ना कर सके और एक पर्टिकुलर वेरिफिकेशन हो सके. तो यू कैन क्रिएट मेनी अकाउंट विथ ए फ़ोन नंबर, दैट इज़ नॉट ए इशू. एंटी चाइल्ड पोर्नोग्राफी, द पॉलिसी वर्क्स इन कंजक्शन विद द नेशनल सेंटर फॉर मिसिंग एंड exploited children to find children abuses. Google creates the database for such pornography picture. Every image is scanned looking for a hash, that is basically a number is given. If any doubtful image found is reported to the national authorities. Now this is a question, I think when you see the interface here, you can see the spaces. Now what is meaning of spaces? So spaces is just like a platform where people can share the file, assign the tasks and stay connected, group conversation. So this can be done. So this is just like a platform, so you can discuss, you can share your file. Now talking about interface. So let me open the Gmail. So here I think there is a net problem, just wait. Now here you can see the Google Workspace, which we have already discussed. Okay, nowadays when you open your Gmail, firstly you see the logo of Google Workspace. Okay. Just wait for few seconds. This is due to network issue. Right. Now here you can see the interface of Gmail. So let me discuss each and everything so easily you can understand. One thing here, this is 9 dot. This is 9 dot. Here you can see the message Google Apps. Okay, when you click on this, here you can see the all the application. You can see YouTube, Play, Gmail, Meet, Chat, Contacts, Drive, Calendar. This is free services provided by Google. All things here you can see. Okay. Now here this is setting. So whatever you want to make setting in a Google account, you can do from here. And this is search. When you click, there are multiple options are available. just wait for some time because it will take due to only network issue. So here you can see this is from. If you want to search any email from the sender, you can search. If you have sent any mail to anyone, so by providing the information you can find. By subject you can search, has the word, by mentioning some word you can search the email, and doesn't have some word you can search. Also you can search on the file capacity, and also if you want to search those mail which have attachment, so by clicking on this you can search. And if you want do not want to search any email that have chat, so by making this also you can do. So this is function of search. Now here you can see all the function available. Here when you click on this is compose. Okay, means when you writing an email, so this type of box will be appear. We have two CC है, VCC भी आप देख सकते हैं. टू का मतलब जो भी हमारा रिसीवर है उसको मेंशन करते हैं. CC मीन्स अगर किसी मेल को किसी और पर्सन को भेजना, उनको बताना है. That is not a main person, that is for only information. We can make it CC. And BCC means if you want to send mail to someone, कि only no, he or she can also see, but that information will not जैसे कि कहने का मतलब है कि BCC में हम उनको रखते हैं कि उनको इन्फॉर्मेशन के बाद पता चले, लेकिन जो भी बंदा 2 और CC में होगा उसको नहीं पता चलेगा कि ये मेल उसको भी भेजी गई है. बट the person who are in BCC, he or she can see the information about कि किसको किसको email भेजी गई है. Okay, so here also if you want to schedule a mail, when you click on this arrow, here you can see the option. Suppose I have written here, click on this, a calendar will be displayed. ओके, वेट फॉर सम टाइम. तब तक हम आगे बढ़ते हैं. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं फॉर्मेटिंग ऑप्शन अवेलेबल है. जिस को भी आप कंटेंट लिखते हैं, इफ़ यू वांट टू मेक एनीथिंग फॉर्मेटिंग, सो बाय यूजिंग दिस यू कैन do it, because there are many formatting here. You can see font text. If you make any alignment you can do. Here you can see the various option is available. अगर इसको बोल्ड करना है तो बोल्ड कर सकते हैं, इटैलिक करना है इटैलिक, अंडरलाइन, सारी फंक्शनलिटी यहाँ पे अवेलेबल है. अगर आपको बैकग्राउंड कलर चेंज करना है यू कैन चेंज इट. टेक्स्ट कलर चेंज करना तो कर सकते हैं. यहाँ पे अलाइनमेंट कर सकते हैं. यहाँ पे अगर नंबरिंग देना है तो कर सकते हैं. तो सारी चीज़ें इसमें अवेलेबल है. ये रीडो और अंडो के लिए बटन दिए गए हैं. ये अटैचमेंट है. इफ़ यू वांट टू इंसर्ट ए लिंक यू कैन डू दिस बाय क्लिकिंग ऑन दिस बटन. उसके बाद इमोजी, यहाँ पे गूगल ड्राइव का साइन है. यहाँ पे फ़ोटो का अगर फ़ोटो इंसर्ट करना चाहते हैं, यहाँ पे सिग्नेचर इंसर्ट करना चाहते हैं, यू कैन डू. सो दे आर मेनी फंक्शन यहाँ, और आप और भी ऑप्शन देख सकते हैं. ओके, तो दिस इज पार्ट ऑफ कंपोज. एक्चुअली जस्ट वी आर वेटिंग फॉर दिस. नेट का कनेक्शन स्लो है, दैट्स वाई इट विल टेक टाइम. इट इज़ टेकिंग टाइम, अदरवाइज दैट इज नॉट इशू. ओके, so meanwhile we will discuss here. We have inbox folder. तो जो भी मेल आपकी आती हैं वो बेसिकली बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट इनबॉक्स में होती है. तो यहाँ पे आप सारी चीज़ें जो देख रहे हैं बेसिकली इनबॉक्स का ही ये पार्ट है. उसके बाद स्टार्ट मीन्स जस्ट यू आर मेकिंग सम मेल एज लाइक क्लिकिंग ऑन दिस. ओके, okay, so here you can see whatever mail we have choose as a start. So in this particular folder you can see. Now here if you want to schedule any mail, so here you can see, just you have to click on this peak and date time. You can choose your date and time and make it schedule and send. तो जब भी वो टाइम होगा, the mail will be automatically sent to the recipient. जो भी आपका रिसीवर होगा उसको मेल बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट वहाँ पे चली जाएगी. तो इस तरह से हम किसी भी मेल को शेड्यूल और सेंड कर सकते हैं. सपोज दिस इज मेल, मैंने इसको क्रॉस कर दिया. ओके, नाउ व्हेन इज क्लिक ऑन द ड्रॉप, जो भी मेल आपकी गई नहीं है वो ड्रॉप में बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट आ जाती है. तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं मैंने यही मेल लिखी थी, दिस इज, ये हमारी आपके ड्रॉप में आ चुकी है. अगर जो भी मेल आप स्नूज करते हैं दैट विल अपीयर हियर. जो भी मेल आपने सेंड की है दैट विल बी अपीयर्ड इन सेंड folder. Here you can see all the mail which is sent to someone. Draft here, important schedule mail. If you have scheduled any mail, that mail will be appeared here. Okay, तो currently हमने कोई भी मेल शेड्यूल नहीं किया है इसलिए मुझे दिख नहीं रही है. ऑल मेल में जाएंगे तो सारी आपकी इनबॉक्स, सेंड, सारी मेल आपको यहाँ पे दिखेंगी. स्पैम में ऑलरेडी हमने डिस्कस कर चुका है कि जो भी मेल, गूगल बेसिकली मैकेनिज्म है, जो भी इस मेल वाली मेल होती है, फाइंड एंड पुट इन स्पैम फोल्डर. ट्रैश मीन्स जो भी मेल हमने डिलीट की है दैट विल बी इन ट्रैश. लेट मी डिलीट वन मेल सो यू कैन अंडरस्टैंड द कंसेप्ट ऑफ ट्रैश. सो हियर आई हैव सेलेक्टेड वन दिस मेल एंड डिलीटेड इट. ओके, नाउ चेक द ट्रैश फोल्डर. तो हियर यू कैन फाइंड दिस मेल. 30 दिन तक मेल रहेगी. बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट आफ्टर 30 days it will be automatically deleted. So now talking about some other categories. So here this is category portion. So here you can see there are various category. We have discussed 5 category. So here you can see social, whatever mail that is related to social, that like YouTube, Facebook, store in this. Update, we have already discussed about update कि we have find, receive, bill, something like this. Forum and some mail is promotion. Now if you want to create your own category, तो in this level you can create your own category as well. मान लीजिए आपने फ्रेंड्स कैटेगरी कर लिया है, जो भी मेल फ्रेंड्स की आती है उसमें आप रख सकते हैं. फैमिली के लिए अलग, तो यू कैन क्रिएट डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ कैटेगरी एज वेल फॉर ओन. So this is all about the Google interface, Gmail interface you can see. Okay, so if you have any question regarding this Gmail account, definitely we can discuss. Just you have to put your message through the comment and definitely I will discuss in my next video. Okay, so basically you can understand very easily if you are using this. Just log in on the Google account and just try to explore each and everything, so you can easily understand what is basically meaning of this term. So also here you can see contact detail. If you have make any contact details, also we have keep calendar option. Okay, so this is all about this class. So now in next class we will discuss about the Google Drive. So till then, thank you for watching this. Thank you.